Lo-fi music is a genre of music that features low fidelity, sound quality, often with relaxing and soothing vibes. It has become very popular on YouTube, where many channels stream lo-fi music 24/7 for listeners to enjoy. You might have wondered how those YouTube channels that stream relaxing and soothing beats 24/7 make money. What if I told you that you can create your own monetizable lo-fi live streaming channel using artificial intelligence tools? Yes, you heard that right. So, today in this video, we are going to tell you easy steps so you can generate unique lo-fi beats, design your channel graphics, edit your videos, and stream them to YouTube. But before we go ahead with this video, do not forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel for such contents. Let's go. The first step is to create your own lo-fi music using AI, and you don't need any musical skills or equipment to do this. By using a tool like MoonValley, which lets you create unique lo-fi beats with different genres, moods, and activities, you can customize the track length, tempo, and intensity. MoonValley uses AI to generate original and royalty-free music that you can use for your channel. Here, I have opened MoonValley on my browser, and I'm going to choose the lo-fi genre. Then, I'm going to select the mood and the activity that I want for my music. For example, I can choose to chill and study or sad and sleep. Then, I'm going to adjust the track length, the tempo, and the intensity. I can also preview the music before downloading it. Once I'm happy with the result, I'm going to enter my YouTube channel URL and click download. MoonValley will then generate a zip file with my music and a license agreement. I can then unzip the file and save it on my computer. The next step is to create your YouTube channel and customize it. You can use tools like Canva to design your graphics. You will also need to write a channel description and add branding elements. Your channel should reflect your personality and style and attract your target audience. Here, I have created my YouTube channel, and I'm going to show you how I customize it. I used Canva to create a logo and a banner for my channel. I typed in lo-fi music channel name generator, and it gave me some suggestions. I picked one that I liked and checked if it was available. Then, I wrote a channel description that tells the viewers what my channel is about and what they can expect from it. I also added some branding elements such as a watermark and an intro. The third step is to create and edit videos with lo-fi music and background images. You can use a tool like CapCut, which is a free video editing app that lets you add effects and filters to your videos. You can also use a tool like Leonardo AI, which creates stunning background images using AI. You can choose from various categories, such as nature, city, space, abstract, and more. You can also upload your own images, or use the ones provided by the tool. You can then combine your lo-fi music and background images to create a video that matches your theme and mood. Here I have opened CapCut on my phone, and I'm going to show you how I created my video. First, I imported my lo-fi music that I downloaded from MoonValley. Then I added a background image that I got from Leonardo AI. I chose a category that suits my music, and I picked an image that I liked. I also adjusted the duration of the image to match the length of the music. Then I added some effects and filters to make the video more appealing. I can also add some text or stickers if I want. Once I'm done, I can export and save the video on my phone. The final step is to stream your videos to YouTube and monetize your channel. You can use a tool like Live Reacting, which lets you stream pre-recorded videos to YouTube and other platforms. You can also set up a banner and a chatbot for your lo-fi radio. Here, I have opened Live Reacting on my browser, and I'm going to show you how I streamed my video to YouTube. First, I uploaded my video that I created with CapCut. Then, I selected YouTube as my streaming platform and connected my channel. Then, I added a banner and a chatbot for my lo-fi radio. I can customize the banner with my channel name, logo, and social media links. I can also set up the chatbot to interact with the viewers and encourage them to subscribe, like, and share. Then, I scheduled or launched my stream immediately. Live Reacting will then stream my video to YouTube, and I can monitor the performance and engagement of my stream. To monetize my channel, I need to meet the YouTube Partner Program requirements, which are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Once I do that, I can apply for monetization and start earning revenue from ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. I can also use other platforms, such as Midjourney, to grow my audience and revenue with AI. Midjourney is a platform that helps you optimize your channel, find the best keywords, tags, and titles, and connect with other creators and brands.